Several months ago I bought one of these fluorescent lights to see if it was any good. I kind of liked it and I went back to order more and the stock ran out. And it was out for several months, and then just recently it came back in stock. So I ordered two more, and we'll have one there, we'll have one here, and one over there. And then when I can afford it, I'll order a few more. One over there, and then I don't know, maybe two here or something like that. They're not my first choice. You know, they're not preheat or anything interesting like that. They're just basic instant start fixtures that'll probably burn through the bulbs real quick. But they look decent and they illuminate pretty nicely, and this is the best option of what's available. The bulbs are still readily available, so I can stock up on those as I can afford to with ease. And what I will do, what's in progress, you can see here at the wiring, what's in progress is we will have multiple stages of lighting here in the garage. I will put a switch over there next to the door. In fact, what I might do is I might move the garage door button over to there, because it'd be more convenient to reach anyways, and that has a light on it, so I could use that as like the first stage of lighting if I just need to come in here quick to grab a tool or to grab a bag of pellets or something like that, and just turn that on and off quickly, you know, a short cycle. And then if I'm going to be doing more things in here that require lighting, I'll have a circuit for the fluorescent lights, I'll have a circuit for some metal halide lights, and then I'll also have a circuit for, oh geez, the lens is all dirty, for high pressure sodium lights. I put this in here just because I needed something in the meantime, and I really like the feel it gives in here. It just feels really old. So I'm going to probably put a few more of these in, and so we'll have these as well. I have a bunch of these fixtures. They were for a while going for $10 a piece on the e-ripoff, and they just like screw into a regular socket. They're very strange, but they're pretty cool. So I got a bunch of those somewhere. Yeah, so that's that. Lighting for the garage is in progress, and I'll try to do a video of setting up the other three. I did one just to figure it out because it was kind of a pain in the neck, and there was no instructions. It doesn't come with any instructions, and it's not particularly clear how it works, so it was kind of annoying to figure out. But now that I've figured out, I'll try to get the other two on video. And then here's a quick preview of something to come soon.